Internet is flooded with content. Everyone is trying hard to push their content as effectively as possible. But as the number increases, so does the competition. Millions of gigabytes worth of content is produced every single day. So amid all this, how can you stand out and pioneer the standards of quality over quantity and manage to provide value to your audience through your content? In this video, we are going to see how Mandala helps you in getting ideas to create quality and engaging content. So make sure to stick to the end of the video. Before producing any content, you have multiple questions rising in your head. What sort of content to upload every single day? What sort of content is popular? Or what's trending in the industry? And above all, is it able to provide the value to our audience? So all these questions need answers. And how do you find the answer if you don't have the source of information? Let's see how Mandala takes the stress out for us by providing answers to many similar questions. Let's suppose I have a shop that sells ice cream. So I would want to know what sort of conversation people are having, what is their favorite flavor, which social media platform is much more popular for the ice cream conversation. After setting up the campaign under the name of ice cream, I can see the data here based on the most number of engagement from all the social media platforms. With the help of top channels, you can get an overview of what sort of content is popular among your audience based on the keywords that you have chosen. You can view the channel mentions by clicking over here and find what sort of content these channels are preparing. If you want to see the mentions or the post only with the high engagement or high quality, you can click over here at Mandala Score. Mandala Score will help you to provide the quality engagement data. You can view the mentions on Mention Console from all the different social media platforms. Mention Console is equipped with advanced filters. You can also find Mandala Score for each of the mention. The higher the score, the better the quality of the engagement. This way you can find the similarity and differences between the content, what is popular among the audiences. If you come across any mention that you find you're liking to, you can just click over the eye over here. You will land directly onto their social media page and you can find what sort of other contents they have prepared earlier on, whether they have received the same kind of engagement with their audience or not, and receive some ideas from their content. Another way to find content ideas or suggestion is to view the comments on these posts. Comments can come as a form of suggestion from the audiences. These suggestions could be anything. It could be future content ideas or comments on whether they have liked this post or not, or whether they want them to repeat this type of content or not. And if that content is a hit among the audiences, you can also incorporate such content in your content creation. You can check the engagement from all the social media platforms individually and see what sort of likes and comments they have received overall. The top channels by engagement, and try to follow and get content ideas from these channels. Now, this was all about how other channels or other people are preparing their content and you taking the content ideas from them. But it is very important to have your own unique identity and your own personal touch so that your audience can differentiate your content. Sure to know what your audience likes and what is missing in other people's content, and you can incorporate that in your own content. I'm sure with all these tips and information that Mandala helps you to gather, you'll be able to create quality and engaging content that your audience will appreciate and like. So, if you haven't already signed up for Mandala, you can start your 7-day free trial at mandalasystem.com. For more queries, you can email us at sales@mandalasystem.com, and you can watch another interesting videos on Mandala in Mandala Academy. So that is all for this video, and I will catch you next time.